Part 1. Measuring distance and depth. Step 1. Use the scale indicator to track distance on a chart. Scales are expressed as ratios and differ from map to map. The scale, printed in the upper right corner of the map, will look something like 1:100,000. A ratio of 1:10,000 indicates that everyone in 2.5 cm, the map equals 10,000 in 25,000 cm in the real world. Chart with smaller scales provide an up-close view depicting more area details and markers. Step 2. Find the unit of measurement used to indicate water depth. Look in the upper right corner of the map near the scale. You will see the unit of measurement printed in big letters. You need to know this because charts use all sorts of different measurements. Your chart could include feet, fathoms, or meters. Step 3. Read the chart numbers to figure out the water's lowest depth. The black numbers printed on the chart represent water depth. Each numbers indicate the mean lower low water, MLLW, in an area. This is the average water depth at low tide, so most of the time the water is deeper than what you see on a chart. If you see a negative number, that means the water depth in the area is typically less than what is listed on the chart. Step 4. Multiply fathoms by 6 to measure depths by feet. Numbers written in fathoms have a unique look to them, so they are easy to spot. A fathom listing often consists of a pair of numbers. The first number indicates the number of fathoms. The second number, which be a small subscript, is the number of additional feet. Step 5. Multiply meter measurements by 3 to convert them into feet. For uniformity and simplicity, many modern charts use meters. This can be tough to understand if you are used to measurement in feet or fathoms. Multiplying by 3 is a quick way to get a relatively accurate estimate of the water's depth.